In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace image in Canva template. We'll start by getting into Canva, choose a template, upload your own photo, and then replace the placeholder image with a simple drag and drop. Open your web browser and search for Canva, then head to the official site. When the homepage loads, make sure you're logged into your account so your uploads and designs are saved. On the Canva homepage, look for the Create button near the top and click it to open your design options. From here, select the type of design you want, then choose a template that matches your project. Templates with photo placeholders, sometimes called frames, make replacement effortless because the new image will snap into place automatically. Open the template to launch the editor. Inside the editor, look to the left sidebar and click Uploads, then click Upload Files. A file picker will open so you can choose the photo from your computer. Select the image you want to use and confirm. You'll see a progress indicator in the Uploads panel. Wait for it to finish before moving on, especially if the file is large. Once the upload is complete, the new image will appear in your Uploads library. Now, replacing is the easy part. Click the uploaded photo, hold, and drag it over the image in the template that you want to swap. When you hover over a photo frame, the area will highlight slightly. Release the mouse, and Canva will replace the old image with your new one while keeping the layout intact. If the image needs a quick adjustment double-click it to reposition the crop, zoom a little, and drag until the subject sits just right. You can also make simple tweaks like brightness and contrast so the photo blends with the overall design. If the image doesn't look centered, try nudging it with your arrow keys after double-clicking, and watch the smart guides to keep alignment consistent with the layout. And that's it. You've opened Canva, logged in, picked a template, uploaded your photo, and replaced the image with a clean drag and drop.